Okay, so Unit 7, Lesson 3 deals with, excuse me, parameters and setting up how they want us to create a parameter and argument, and we're going to create and define a function using optional parameters. And so in this case, what they're wanting us to do on this video is we're going to create a function such that you're going to accept three numbers and then find the product, or in other words, you're going to multiply all three of those numbers together. So it's a fairly simple thought, and hopefully be able to get to it and slide right through it. So here's our first one. Okay, so first things first, we're going to define our function. I'm going to define my function as print product. You can define it however you want to. Excuse me, they may be their definition as they expect it as that, I don't know. But we're going to define a function, we're going to print a product, and we're going to call those variables x, y, and z. You can call them a, b, and c. You can call them whatever you want to. Again, we have parentheses here. We have our colons here and here, and so our print product. Again, define them however you want to. And so with that, we're going to find the product that equals x, y, and z. And these are the multiplication symbols of the stars, the asterisks. And then from that, we're going to then print the product. Okay, print the product. Put my space there, then plus string, because we're printing a value. Now, notice I hadn't talked about the input yet. We're going to do that here in a moment. So here is my function, print product. We're going to say that the product equals our variable of x, y, and z, colon, make sure that's tabbed over, x times y times z, and then we're going to print the product, colon, space, plus the string product, whatever our product is of multiplying those three numbers together. Now, from there, we have to then create our inputs. Whatever variables you want to use, I think they have to be different than x, y, and z, but they have to be integer inputs, and enter the first number. Remember back in the day, ladies and guys, this is int, this is a parent, open, 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 open. I'm putting these on there again because in the videos, this may not show up very dark. It may be focused on my hands. And then there's colons here. So integer input, enter the first number in quotes, colon, space, close quotes, parenthesis, parenthesis. Three different variables. Again, whatever you want to name them. And then we're simply going to print product. We're going to call the function that we've created, define this function. We're going to call the function print product. Call means make it work. Doesn't mean call it on the phone. We're going to print product, number one, comma, oops, let's go ahead and put that parent here, comma, comma, close. Now, again, these variables can be whatever you want to call them, A, B, C, F, E, G, whatever, doesn't matter to me. Print underscore product, and this then would print whatever the product of those three numbers are, however they've been input. My suggestion is you try it more than one way. Don't just follow the rote memorization of what they do there on what numbers they suggest. Anyway, I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope you have a good day.